Have you ever wanted to work out with me? Well, now your chance is only a few days away. So I'm going to be hosting a sprint workshop, running workshop, in conjunction with Stanlaw Fitness on Wednesday, June 12th, 6:30, I would say till probably about 8 at the Stephen Gregg Park in Bayonne at the track. Great thing here is that we're asking for a $5 donation, and everything is going to go to Hudson Milestones. Now, why would you want to sprint? Well, here you go, guys. Sprinting boosts your mood. Sprinting helps strengthen your bones. Sprinting helps release human growth hormone. Sprinting helps increase your aerobic capacity. There are so many benefits of sprinting. So if you want to do the full-blown sprint workshop, you're welcome. If you want to just learn how to dynamic stretch and run a little bit, you're welcome. There will be a little bit of a workout beforehand as well, so it is a great win-win for everybody involved. Hope to see you there. You do not have to be a member of Stanlaw Fitness to be a part of it. You may have to fill out a waiver beforehand. Just let me or Mike know you're coming in person or in the MindBody app. So June 12th, it's a Wednesday night, starting at 6:30, probably go to about 8. Sprint and running workshop at Stephen Gregg Park in Bayonne. And as always, be awesome and never unawesome. Bye.